Hey guys, your friend Adiemi Oluwaseun is here. I want to say Merry Christmas to all of you over there. I hope that you guys really enjoy yourself today very well, and I pray that we will see the new year by the grace of God. So today I want to quickly show you one of those free airdrop that is already that has been listed today, right? That is what I only want to show you right here, and how you can quickly claim it to BNB and withdraw your money. That is if you like, or you can also leave it right here. Okay, so the coin has been listed today. I think it was around 3 o'clock, but I'm recording this video around to 8 now. So this is the coin. Is the coin right here, Shiba. So this is the coin right here, Shiba. I don't know. So if you remember that the Shiba swap, if you remember, if you followed me and you claimed the free airdrop, then so all you need to do right now is just to go to your Trust wallet and do exactly what I'm gonna do right here and claim your BNB and some 2 naira if you like, or you can also leave it maybe if it's still going up. All right. So what we're gonna do right here is just to copy you look for the contract address. So this is the contract address of that coin. So you're gonna copy it. So you're gonna copy it, then you come back right here. Then what you're gonna do is just to go to what you're gonna do is just to click on this DApp, right? So just click on DApp right here. So once you click on DApp, so what you're gonna do is just to look for the pancake swap. So you can pancake swap on your Trust wallet. All right, so we're waiting for it to finish loading. All right, so then you are going to connect it if it has required. If you ask you to connect, so you have to click on connect, right? Well, this one has been connected automatically. Right now what you're going to do is just to click on start. You scroll down, you're going to see trade right now. You're going to see trade now. So you can see trade now right here. So what you're going to do is just to click on trade now. So when you click on trade now, you can see that we have BNB right here, we have pancake swap right here. All right, so then what you're going to do is just to click on this cake, right? So click on that cake. So once you click on the cake, then it will ask you to enter the the contract address, right? So this contract address I'm going to put inside the description of this video right here, and if you're in a group, I'm going to put it there, right? So you can see that it has come out Shiba, right? So what you're going to do right now is just to you click on what you're going to do right here. You can see Shiba, so just click on Shiba. All right, so when you click on Shiba, then next thing you're going to do here is just to click on this arrow, okay, so that it will put the Shiba up and BNB down. All right, so what you're going to do is just to click on that arrow, the middle arrow. So as you can see that the Shiba is now up, and I see the Shiba is now up and BNB is now below, right? So then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on max. That is if you want to sell off everything right now. So what you need to do is just to click on max, right? So click on max. So you click on max, you can see, so this what I have right here is the worth on BNB is 0.12. That is one amount that I'm going to sell it. So right, let's quickly calculate that. 0.1254, 0.1254, that is BNB to USD. 0.1254, 0.1254. So let's just see the worth in dollars. 0.1254, 0.1254, right? So this is $68 right here, right? So this is $68. So now if I want to sell out like $50 and leave the rest, so I'm going to sell out 0.09 to 0.0 0.092 right now. So I want to, that's the amount that I'm going to sell out. So let me just click here and 0.0, I'm trying to edit it, 0.092, so that is like worth of $50, right? So that is what I want to sell out. So as you can see right here, so out of that about 19 million about thereabouts, I'm going to sell out like 14 million 14 billion thereabouts. So that's what I'm going to sell out and get like $50 out of this, right? So then the next thing you're going to do, if you are selling it out, but I advise you not to sell out everything you want to sell out, because you don't know what the coin can do in the future, right? It might become big money for you. So I will not advise you to sell out everything. That is if you want to sell it out. So then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on this enable Shiba. So enable Shiba. So you can see that smart contract call is now loading. So let's wait. All right, so the charges is going to be like 0.13, right? So then what we're going to do is just to click on approve. All right, so you can see that it has been approved right now. It has been approved right now. Then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on swap. So they're going to swap it. Accept. Accept. The price has been updated. Accept. Then confirm swap. And the price is changing. Accept. Confirm swap. Okay, so we are waiting for confirmation. The transaction cannot succeed due to the error. Cannot estimate gas. Transaction may fail or let me click on it once again. Confirm. Accept. Confirm. I don't know why the price, the price is just confirm, accept. Again, finally guys, I quickly do something because I was unable to make use of pancake swaps directly. So what I do is just, let me quickly do it. Just go to poolcoin.app. Let me quickly rush through it so that you can be able to do it right away, because I have done it successfully, right? So now when you are there, then you need to come to this place and paste the the wallet. Then you're going to see it like this. All right, so the coin is going to come out, right? So when the coin come out, it will ask you to connect right here. As you can see right here, as you can see this place that says connect, log out, you are going to see connect there, right? So when you see connect there, then the next thing you're going to do is just, you can see that I have already done it. This is not what I have here right here before. So then what I'm going to do next is just to, once I've been connected, then you're going to see trade, right? You're going to see trade right here. So all you need to do is just to click on that trade. Once you see trade, then you will see auto, you see pancakes, V1, V2. So you're going to choose V2, right? So once you choose V2, then the slippage right here, all you need to do is just to click on auto slippage, right? So once you click on auto slippage, then you can quickly, enter the amount of what you want to sell right here. Okay, so as you can see, let me just do like $5 more, right? So let me see how much is $5 of all right, so let me quickly do $5 of BNB right here again. So at least for you to quickly grab it, right? So that is the second option that I'm quickly showing you right here. So then what you're gonna do, just to come to this arrow right here, so click on it so that Shiba will go up. So now I want to type like what of $5 right here. I want you to observe what I have right here and what I have right here. So then what I'm going to do just 0.091, 0.00, sorry, I actually want to rush to do it. 0.0091 is equivalent to like $5, right? So as you can see, that's I'm gonna pay this, then I'm gonna get this right here. So the next thing you're gonna do is just to click on swap. So you can see, oh, the slippage is too low. Then I'm gonna click on swap. All right, so you can see now that let me go back again so that you see. So make sure that the auto, make sure that the auto is is in green, right? So once the auto is in green, then you're gonna click on swap right here. So you're able to do that. Then you can see that it's loading, right? So then the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pay a network fee, right? So for you to sell, all right? So now I'm gonna network fee to Trust Wallet. So you can see that it's loading. So let's see how it's gonna be. You can see success, right? You can see success. You can see what the BNB has done to, and you can see what this has done to. All right, so you can see that I still have like 3.343 million Shiba right here now. So that's how you're gonna do it, guys. So that's exactly what you're gonna do if it's not going through the pancake swap. Make sure that you use PoolCoin. So if you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell, because 2022 is going to be wow, and I don't want you to miss any of my video that I will be uploading on this channel. So subscribe now and click on the notification bell so that immediately we are dropping any video, you will be among the first set that will be seeing the video and quickly make use of it to make money for yourself. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.